You learned how to find web page elements and perform actions on them with the Selenium commands, so it's time to see some of these functions in combat. Run this script. And let's translate this code into the natural language. Open Chrome and go to google.com. Enter Giant into the element named Q, which is the search phrase input box, and wait 2 seconds. Press Enter key on the element named btnk, Google search button. Get text, the target URL address from the first search result based on its XPath, and store it into the URL variable. Then open new tab and navigate to this address. Wait 2 seconds. Activate the tab which has Google in its title, that is the first tab. And then, since the search phrase input box is already filled with Giant, you can't use the Selenium type command again to enter a new search phrase. Wherever you insert with the Selenium type command, it will be attached to the existing text instead of replacing it. But you can change the value of the value attribute of the search phrase input box element, which stores the phrase that was just searched for using the Selenium set attribute command. When you set the value set attribute to robotic process automation, this phrase will be inserted into the input box. With the new search phrase in the input box, press Enter key in this box to start a new search. Click the first search result selected by XPath. So this script assumes your Google search is in English. In other languages it might not work properly. Also, XPaths are prone to changes. If any of nodes in the XPath tree is altered or moved, it will affect the whole element's address. So sometimes it's better to use class or ID selectors. In the script above, you can replace both XPath selectors with class ones. So, for example, instead of Selenium get text, you can use search by class. So instead of XPath, we have class. And we can do the same with the Selenium click here. Search class name by class. So let's run this. They should even work in Google searches other than English. Process has finished.